my first attempt, that's for sure.
Seasoned professional.
So you can't see it. So you can't see it.
Jaguar XK 120 or 150, I'm not sure which one it is. Beautiful condition. To that for luxury. What was that? 1950s. It's beautiful. Obviously been totally rebuilt. Look at the engine.
They brought it to C-type spec, the engine.
Right.
And they brought a new B-type cylinder and sent it to Western, and then it brought it to C-type spec, ported and polished and bigger valves. And that's when they painted the engine red. I think it really should be black.
Right. Well, I like the red.
I like it, yeah, it's alright.
It makes all the makes all the ancillaries
It stands out, doesn't it? Yeah.
You know your exhaust manifold.
Yeah.
Where do you have that done?
I've managed to buy them at a sensible price, ready to go.
Where from?
That's what you call a motor and a half.
But I paid, I think, 180 quid.
Beautiful.
You can't get them.
Well, exactly, yeah.
It's original ones.
Friend of mine's Renault 12 TL. He's had this since new. He's just had it sprayed, I think, eventually. Well, a long time ago. That's in beautiful condition as well. Fabulous. Take a look inside. Oh, it's very smart in there. Very swish. Beautiful. Here I'm at Charlie Cricket Club with a fine array of cars. Morris Miners.
At the end of it, it's what I want, it's my toy. It's your toy.
Sorry.
It's like I said to the wife. I'm the same.
Arriving in the droves. All different colours, years. 2-door, 4-door, convertibles. A fantastic selection. It's the Morris Miners Owners Club. And here's mine. My own personal car. A beautiful van. And more arriving. I'm still looking coming. Last made in 1972. Any of these vehicles? And an old Rover 3.5 coupe over there. Fabulous. So I'm going down the other way now. All the array of cars. Some nice cars on here. Vans, convertibles. Good array of cars. Another convertible coming up. think it's Snowberry White, I think it's called. The black one. Traveller. Very sought after those. All different years from the 50s, 60s. There's a 50s one, that's split screen. And another one.
Hello, John.
Another Traveller. Another one. A good selection of Travellers.
I want to see somebody after.
Fantastic. And some of them are in as new condition. Obviously some have been rebuilt, but yeah.